Hey guys, I wanted to share an amazing vegetarian dish that we love. It is using this pasta. It is red lentil pasta. The best thing about this is it actually gets in 2 servings 26 grams of protein. So, getting your protein in a vegetarian dish is very important. This does that for you. It is also really high in fiber. So this is a great pasta to use, and it also tastes delicious. It's made in Italy. Awesome. This particular recipe is really easy, doesn't use that many ingredients. It has everything from the Italian seasoning, little garlic salt, black pepper, red pepper crushed. We like a little spice, so we put that in. Some garlic cloves, baby bella mushrooms. I love baby bellas because they have a little bit more flavor than white mushrooms. Baby spinach, extra virgin olive oil, and then some vegetable broth, and that is it. So really simple meal, but really delicious and very healthy. First up, bring 4 quarts of water to a boil. This is boiling good now. And I like to add some salt. So just sprinkle some salt in there. And then we're gonna add the pasta. This pasta cooks pretty fast. You're gonna cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Then we're gonna drain the pasta. Isn't that a gorgeous color? All right, guys, we are heating up the extra virgin olive oil. Just a few tablespoons. Once it's hot, I will saute those mushrooms. You're gonna cook these for a few minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes, until they are browned. And once they're browned, you are good to go. Now that they're nice and brown, we're gonna add the garlic cloves. It's chopped garlic. I'm actually adding about 6 cloves of garlic, which is a lot. You probably only need to add 4 or 5, but we love garlic, so we're gonna add 6 here. So once the garlic's been in there 30 seconds, you're gonna deglaze by adding some vegetable broth. Now I'm gonna remove the mushrooms and put them on a plate and then cook that spinach next. You can see the spinach is wilting. This is exactly what you want. Almost done. Now we are adding salt and pepper to the spinach for flavor. So I've got the spinach, the pasta, and the mushrooms back in the skillet, and now it's time to add some seasoning. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning and some garlic salt to the skillet. Last but not least, we're gonna sprinkle the top with Parmesan. I love freshly grated Parmesan, but check with your guests. If they don't wanna eat cheese, you can just leave this part off. Here it is, it looks incredible. And here we are, it's delicious and a very healthy meal.